They say that heaven's pretty and living here is too. But if they said that I would have to choose between the two, I'd go home, going home where I belong. Sometimes when I'm reading, comes a strong surprise. If you look and see the homesick feeling in my eyes, I'm going home, going home, where I belong. While I'm here, I'm serving gladly, singing all these songs. I'm here, but not for long. I'm going home. And when I'm feeling lonely, and when I'm feeling blue, it's such a joy to know